Welcome to another installment of the PineScript 101 series. Trading stops are typically used to ride momentum in markets, allowing a trade to stay open and continuing to profit as the price is moving in the trade direction. It is a common exit method in many strategies out there. In this first segment, we'll learn how to trade stop by bar high, low using PineScript. Let's now move over to TradingView and dive in. We'll start off with a blank strategy script from TradingView. It is purely an example script and definitely not a good strategy to trade, but it will give us some trade entries in both directions to illustrate our trading stop system. Since we'll be trading by bar high low, our long stop will be based on the highest lows and our short stop will be based on the lowest highs. First, we'll add an input to define the numbers of bars to look back when identifying highest and lowest, like so. Then set our long short stop. So long stop would be equal to the highest low with bar length. And our short stop would be equal to our lowest high bar length. Then we'll plot our long stop with a color equal to blue, for example, and we'll plot our short stop with a color of red. Let's save. So let's name it trading stop. Add to chart and check. Our long stop is indeed following the highest lows within the bar look back as here, 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 and here. For our short stop, you can see that we're following the lowest highs, like so. Looks good. Now we need to add some trade entry conditions. First, a position size of 0 to ensure that we have no other trade open. And second, a stop that is valid. So we can do this way. So first, strategy.position size must be equal to 0, and our long stop cannot be null, so not NA long stop, and also a long stop that is below our price, so close, and long condition. Similarly, for short, where we will use short stop, and short stop will have to be above the price, so above close. Let's save, and that will be it. With this in place, we can now introduce our trading stop to be updated. Let's paste the code and go over it. A persistent variable for our trading stop, initialized to null, being updated as follows. If long, so our strategy position size is more than 0, our trading stop gets updated with long stop. If the trading stop is null on our first update, or our trading stop would be moving up. So long stop more than trading stop. And on the flip side, for short, our trading stop will be updated with short stop if it is null on the first update, or our trailing stop is moving down, meaning short stop is less than trailing stop. And if we are not in a trade, we reset trailing stop to null. Let's save. No errors. Awesome. We can now use the trailing stop to exit our trades. Let's first change the IDs for our entries. Long will simply be long, and short will simply be short. And now add our exits, referencing the long ID, the short ID, and the stop to be the trailing stop. And finally, we'll plot the trailing stop in order to be able to visualize on the chart, like so. So trailing stop with a line width of 2, a color of fuchsia, and a style of step line break, which will allow steps to be drawn on the chart. Let's save and check. For example, here we have a short entry. We are following the short stop being the lowest highs, like so. And then once we reached the trading stop, we exit the short trade. Let's try to find a long entry. Here, for example, we enter long. We have our trading stop that is following the long stop, the highest lows, and we do exit when we reach the trading stop. Awesome. Looks like it works. I hope you found value in learning how to trade stop by bar high low using PyScript. In the next segment, we'll add bar conditions and some volatility factor to trade stops. Remember, trading is a journey, and mastering PyScript is just one step along the way. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.